Construction Consulting Laboratory International, or CCLI, located in Carrollton, Texas, performed ASTM E331-09 laboratory water resistance testing on an exterior wall mock-up, constructed by a professional framing contractor familiar with the zip system. The mock wall was sheathed with the zip system per the manufacturer's installation instructions. The 7/16 inches thick coated sheathing was secured with pneumatically driven framing nails at a maximum 6-inch spacing. After the sheathing was installed, windows and sheathing joints were covered with 3 3/4 inches of zip system flashing tape and rolled with a diamond pattern J-roller. Before testing commenced, a thorough inspection of the zip system by CCLI revealed no voids or folds in the flashing tape, and no exposed joints or missed nails throughout the sheathing. The testing sequences consisted of tests at 2.86 psf, 4 psf, and 6.24 psf. Each of the 3 tests had a 15-minute duration. Let's see how the zip system performed. At 2.86 psf, early on, water penetration was observed above the flush-mounted window head. Then, at 4 minutes and 6 minutes and 30 seconds, litmus water pools were observed at the STUD-TO-SILL plate. As the test progressed, water was observed at the STUD-TO-SILL plate below the recess-mounted window system, at the STUD-TO-SILL plate adjacent to the left window jamb, and at the sill plate. And nail leaks were observed, with the nail serving as the avenue for water intrusion. Moving to the 4.0 psf testing, water penetration was observed 5 minutes and 22 seconds into the test, 5 feet up from the base of the wall. Further water was also observed 6 minutes and 55 minutes into the test, at 4.5 feet up from the base of the wall. Then seconds later, water came through the OSB panel through a seam of zip system sheathing, as leaks popped up through the seam tape on the inside of the wall and around over-penetrated nails. At 6.24 psf, 2 minutes and 52 seconds into the test, water penetrated through the sheathing 7 feet up from the base of the wall. Then at 6:33 into the test, the interior right jamb of the recessed window had water penetration, with the water streaming in through the OSB. And at 13 minutes and 15 seconds into the test, at 6.24 psf, water was seen penetrating through the horizontal seam 4 feet up from the base of the wall. A Delmorst moisture meter was utilized to demonstrate the moisture content of the interior sample being tested. High moisture readings of over 30% were continuously observed throughout the test. At the conclusion of the 3 testing sequences, CCLI documented 21 water leaks stemming from exposed nail holes, intrusion behind the seam tape, and even directly through the unpenetrated OSB board. Relying on coated sheathing for structural support and as your main drainage plane may put you at risk for moisture intrusion. Are you smarter than water?